All right, my wonderful students, if you did not get a 3 on this article, the one on pet rocks, it's because of this. It's that you're not quite proficient yet at writing a summary that does not have sections or subheadings. So if you look at this article on pet rocks, it's all just one big block of text. There's no different sections, there's no different areas, there's no subheadings. The only thing that really breaks it up and tells you what it's about is the title. So in order to write a good summary, you have to break it up yourself. So here's how you do that. According to our notes, you're going to write your summary the same way as you would to begin with, whether it has sections or whether it doesn't. Okay, so you started off step 1 by writing the central idea sentence first. Okay. Then after that, you're going to go through and pull out the details from the beginning, the middle, and the end, trying to balance it so you have something from each of the sections. Okay? So let's look at how we actually do that. So we know that our topic is pet rocks. I'm going to try and find the explicit central idea statement. I'm thinking it's probably going to be pretty early on. So skimming this over. And actually for this, I don't know if there is an explicit central idea statement. This is kind of just informing us. So I suppose this is probably what the best one would be. Talking about how the pet rocks became really popular in the early 1970s. Okay, so I'll start that out. I'm going to paraphrase it though, of course. So I'll say, I want to be specific, right? So I'll say, in the early 1970s, Gary Dahl invented the pet rock, which became hugely popular. Okay, and this is going to be my central idea statement. So I'm done with step 1. Now I go into step 2. I'm going to find details from everywhere, the beginning, the middle, and the end, to make sure that I have balance. Okay, so I'm going to try and think what else is important. So I already have this marked as important. Let's think. This looks like it's important. Also, how much you sold it for seems important to me. These are all important details. It seems important that he sold so many, and that he became a millionaire. Otherwise, who cares if this guy came up with a stupid invention if nobody bought it? So that's definitely important. Then this is for sure going to be important about how this is a fad, and about how it's growing in popularity. So let's see. So once again, we know that a lot of times the first sentence is going to be our topic sentence, and it's going to be the most important, and in this case, it is. So now I'm going to go through and put this in and paraphrase these details. Notice that I do have a balance from the beginning, the middle, and also the end. Okay, so here's what I'm going to say. So this section, I'll paraphrase it by saying, Dahl originally meant for this to be a joke, but it started to actually gain popularity. Then I'll look at my next section. Okay, so then I'm going to kind of put these two together with it selling for $17 and him becoming a millionaire. The inventor sold these for $17 and sold so many that he actually became a millionaire. Now I need my final detail. Pet rock remains an iconic example of a fad where something becomes really popular really quickly. So the pet rock still today is a great example of something that becomes really popular really quickly for absolutely no reason. I think we can all agree that pet rock is a stupid idea. So it became popular for absolutely no reason. Okay. So checking this, I do start with my central idea. So step 1 is met. I do include all important details, and I make sure that it's balanced from the beginning to middle and end. So this would be a level 3 summary. Okay. Hope this was helpful. Hope you're now ready to master this standard.